What's up, y'all? What to do? Welcome back to Tina Bopper All the Way Live. I'm your girl, Tina Bopper. What's up? What's happening, y'all? And since we in July and Father's Day just passed, I didn't want to say it too soon. I didn't want to get on Father's next too soon because men be real sensitive. But as y'all know, Father's Day just passed. Mother's Day was the month before that. So I wanted to talk about it just a little bit because I noticed a bunch of deadbeat fathers on social media mad, disgusted, talking about how fathers don't get acknowledged. Y'all not fathers. It's not for you. And the fathers had no complaint. The fathers was posted by their loved ones. They didn't have to post themselves. Their loved ones posted them. Their kids posted them. Their wife posted them. Their girlfriend posted them. That's why. So they didn't have to post themselves on social media. The people who they take care of posted them. Oh, okay. Father's Day would never rival or be in competition with Mother's Day. Because yes, there are deadbeat mothers, but the amount of deadbeat mothers and ain't shit women that are moms or mammies is minuscule. It's not as predominant. They don't rule over. It's not mostly deadbeat mammies that's on social media. You see what I'm saying? Majority of the time, deadbeat mamas are on the street. They begging or sucking dick, to be honest, for $1. So that's the difference. Father's Day matters. Men who are fathers are celebrated through and through. They are celebrated. They will forever be celebrated. They will never be forgotten. And they will be shown love for being a great father, grandfather, because the fathering never stopped. They be great fathers to their sisters. To their baby sisters, they still be fatherly. The men that be complaining, I don't think y'all the same person. I don't think y'all the same men. If you had a bad Father's Day, you probably a bad father. Period. If you had a bad Mother's Day, you're probably a bad mother. It goes both ways, FYI. But I just want you to know there's no comparison. I don't want y'all to take this as I'm comparing Mother's Day to Father's Day, because in my own personal life, my own personal experience walking this earth and seeing mothers, teachers, and all the things that a mother does, doctors, mothering, all of that, social workers, mothering, that is undefeated. So I'm never comparing the two. This is not a comparison video. I'm talking about it because even when you go in the stores, I want y'all to see, even when you go in the stores, every store, it could be a Dollar Tree, a Dollar General, a Walmart, a Target, a Publix, a Nordstrom, whatever store you go in, and during Mother's Day, there will be flowers, there will be gifts, there will be jewelry, it's abundance of things that for you to buy and give to your mother. When you buy things from shops, they give women gifts. Happy Mother's Day. Father's Day, baby, y'all get one end cap at Target. I don't know about anybody else. I think Walmart give y'all a aisle. At least one side of the aisle. And it's not because of consumerism or none of that. It's because of your own, like, to look at, to see. It's not, fathers are not present. And a main example of that is I went down to the Board of Health to get my birth certificate. The first question on mothers was first name, maiden name, last name. On fathers, the first question was known or unknown. That tell you everything you need to know. The first question on the birth certificate you have to sign for father is known or unknown. Baby, if it's unknown, you ain't even got to fill out the rest. Just go ahead and sign at the bottom. That tell you everything you need to know. And if your comprehension skills is low, you ain't gonna like my podcast no way, because it be underlying messages in the shit that I be talking. I do talk shit though. The shock that Father's Day is not as celebrated as Mother's Day, it's got to be coming from the non-participating fathers that don't know that your absence, they see it, they feel it. So it gets that type of treat. There's so many men who have decided to opt out being a great father that leads to women, kids, and businesses tending to forget about you. When it's time to celebrate you, they forget about you because you opted out. Providing sperm and money is not enough. It's never been enough. Never will be enough. Just because you provided the sperm and you shoot a little money every here and there, that's not enough. That's not enough. Let me be the first one to tell you, sperm and a little change is not enough. On Mother's Day, you see countdowns going on. Everybody got something for Mother's Day. As much as y'all get for Father's Day, y'all get a couple of cards, a couple of balloons, a little tie, a little pair of socks, little boxes. That's it. Slack fathers, slack gifts. That's why y'all don't get good gifts. Father's Day is important, but it won't get the same response as Mother's Day. It will not grow like Mother's Day. It would not profit like Mother's Day. It would not boom like Mother's Day. It would not get the same equal amount of love and consideration because mothers take care of the world. That's all what I had to say on that.
Y'all, every week I feel like Sugarfoot. I want y'all, if y'all ever go, get the crab plate. I don't even know what it's called, but it's the fried crab plate. Y'all look at it. You got crab, shrimp, fish, french fries, tartar sauce, cocktail sauce, all the good things. Y'all please.
God.
This is where I record my podcast.
It looks so good. What's another?
And it never disappoints.
Okay. What's up, y'all? What it do? Welcome back to Tina Boppa All the Way Live. I am your host, Tina Boppa. What's up? What's happening? So let's talk about the friends that we have that post in their underwear. I'm talking about underwear. We talking about the friends who post on social media bra panties a daily basis. That's what they do. That's what they do. That's their form of expression. It's getting down to bare minimum and sharing it. That don't bother me, actually. I like it when you real fine. I don't like when regular girls do it. But this what get me. You done posted Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in your thing. Then you get mad at niggas in your inbox. Bitch, I'm damn near in your inbox. Fuck is you talking about? I'm like, keep y'all lame ass out my DMs. First of all, I like that. I like looking. I be trying to find the heart eye emoji so I can send that emoji. I send it. If I see it, I'm going to send it. Do you know these bitches around here using AI to make themselves look like a little piece or something? And you around here got a whole body banging, bitch. Bitch, we all about to hit you up. Girls and boys. I don't even like girls. I'm not even bi. I don't like girls at all. Bitch, you dead fine. What is you talking about? Matter of fact, if they not in your DM, it's something wrong with the single men that's not in your DM. But single man following you and he just looking, he ain't said a word. They supposed to say something. Now, you ain't got to say nothing back. True. You just gonna have to hide them. You gonna have to hide those comments. That you just gonna have to send them over to the archive. So when they comment, they don't even come to your inbox. But ain't no way in hell you thought. Cause you tripping. You thought wrong. Cause I blow that bitch down. But what you want from a nigga? Answer this part. What you want a nigga to do? Tell me that so I can relay a message to them. So that I can do it. I mean, cause what do you want? You want us to just look and not say nothing? That's what I'm saying. These bitches around here making AI. Somebody saying, oh, you so pretty. They saying, thank you. Like it's really them, like it ain't AI. And you want us not to say nothing to you. And you know what? To them, if don't nobody say nothing to them or like they post, they be like, hating ass hoes. So what you want us to do? Because I don't give a fuck about what they think. I don't give a fuck about what they think. They AI anyway, bitch. I ain't paying you ain't nothing to pay no attention over there. You don't even think you nothing to pay no attention. You done made a cartoon version of you. Anyway, you, bitch, fine bitch, underwear, every day, posting. You, what you want? What you want us to do? Tell us what you want us to do so I can find, so they can start doing it. Baby, shit, you ain't got nothing posted in there. Come on, tell us what you want. What you really want from a nigga? What you want? What you really want from a nigga? Cause tell us what you want. Cause stop playing at this point. And you might be what they be talking about when they be saying a tease. I don't know. I'm confusion, but yeah, let me know. Cause I want to let everybody know what to do. Me personally. If it was me, so let me say this. This is what I think. So if y'all watching this and then y'all got to be like this on y'all time, let me tell you. If it was me, I think buy me some. So if she always posting in her underwear, she wants you to buy her some underwear. I'm like, what's your size? What's your size so I can go and get you some? Maybe some Skims or something. Like, I'm going to buy what I want to see you in, matter of fact. Let me get you some Skims. What size you with? That's what I would think. I got a shopping problem though, but that just means that bitch probably don't even like. Clearly, she don't even like clothes. I love clothes and shoes, bags. But yeah, so y'all let us know. I'm trying to let you know. I'm trying to take you out. I want to fuck with you. What are you talking about? That what that nigga saying in your DM. I'm trying to fuck with you. What's up? You like, get the fuck out of my DMs. Oh, bitch, damn. And we ain't talking about taking niggas. We talking about niggas, single niggas. We ain't talking about men that's taken. We talking about men, single men. Men that's independent. Men that take care of themselves. Not no men that got women taking care of them. And girl, they ain't talking about nothing no way. They can't do nothing no way. I be trying to see what y'all be wanting somebody. And y'all be like, oh, I don't even want nothing from him. But what you fucking with somebody else man for? Huh? Quickly. It's time supposed to been up.